guys would like to take pictures, please don't use flash. Okay, I'm Dominique, and this is Gabriella, and that's our DJ Simon. Okay, and these are the stars of our show. Today we'll begin our show with Rio. Rio is very special. Rio is a hybrid, and she's special for two reasons. She's a baby, only 11 months old, aren't you, Rio? Okay, Rio is the baby of green-winged macaw and blue and gold macaw. As you can see, she's very big in size, and she has many beautiful colors on her body. Okay, for parents it's very important to fly. Toby and Eddie will show everybody some beautiful flying. What's your name? Natalie. Nice name. Okay, follow me. Okay, stand over here so everybody can see you. Okay, so for today, you are a tree. Show me what a tree looks like. Straight like a soldier. Okay, put your hands out like that. Straight. Yeah. Okay, stay there. All right, Toby. Whoop-a. Okay, I'll put one peanut in your mouth. Look at the parrot. Whoa, nice kiss. Oh, Toby, where are you going? You have a boyfriend? You have a boyfriend? No boyfriend? It's okay, Toby. Nobody's jealous, huh? Okay, Eddie, you're going to give Natalie your lovely French kiss. Huh? Whoa, okay, nice and slow kiss. Mwah, whoa. All right, give a round of applause for our volunteer. Thank you. Okay. Anybody would like a kiss? You want a kiss? Go on. Okay, stand for everybody to see you, like this. Okay, I put peanuts in your mouth. Yeah? Okay, Eddie, are you ready? One nice slow kiss. Opa! Thank you. All right, give a round of applause for Toby and Eddie. Okay, this is Cleo. And Cleo is a blue and gold macaw. And she wants to show everybody a valuable lesson today. For everybody to always put rubbish in the bin, and kids to always clean after yourselves. Okay, so we have some rubbish. Yeah? Are you ready, Cleo? Alright, that's good. Good, go, Cleo. Come on, Mama. before, and she has many abilities. And she wants to show everybody how she can fly. Are you ready, Rio? Okay, so over here we have some shapes and colors.
Он различает цвета, наверное. Ну да.
Okay, this is Otzi. And Otzi is a green-winged macaw, and she's very clever. She can tell the difference between shapes, colors, and not only, all parrot macaws have a brain of a 3-year-old child. Okay, Otzi, I'm going to show everybody how clever you are. All right. Choose a color. Red. Everybody ready? All together! Come on. Follow me. What's your name? Nikita. Nice name. Okay, you speak English, yeah? Little bit of English? Yeah? No? Okay, so I'll cut everything short. So, you're at Pafos Zoo, and many miracles can happen at Pafos Zoo. Did you see our big cats, lions, and our tigers? You see them? Okay. Did you see our crazy monkeys? Huh? You see them? Yeah? Okay. Did you see our special collection of snakes? With poison. Okay. One more. Did you see our tarantulas? Spiders. What? It's a secret? Yeah, it's okay. Don't jump on him and we'll jump on his neighbors. Yeah? Okay. Okay. These lovely birds are called Syprus, and they come from the parakeet family. They are young, they are only 10 months old. Okay, now we will continue our show with owls, poppugais. Okay, this is Spot. And Spot is an African spotted eagle owl.
Африканский филин похожий.
You can find those species in the Sahara Desert.
В Сахаре водится.
Spot is 15 years old and she can live up to 40 years. If you pay attention to the color of Spot's eyes, they are yellow. This means she will hunt in the morning. In the wild, Spot will hunt scorpions and baby birds.
Птенцов.
Okay, but Spot is not a simple owl. She is famous. She played in the first Harry Potter movie. Didn't you, Spot? Okay, now for our next owl. Okay, this is Naya. Very pretty. Naya is a barn owl. Her species is very common in Cyprus. And all barn owls have a heart-shaped face. Naya is only 1 year old and she can live up to 25 years.
Она живет 25 лет, ей всего лишь годик.
If you pay attention to the color of Naya's eyes, they are black.
У нее черные
This
глаза.
means she will hunt in the evening. Yellow eyes in the morning and black eyes in the nighttime. In the wild, Naya will hunt insects, frogs, and mice.
Что-то еще. Да. А если слушать?
Not rotate their eyes, especially barn owl. So instead, they turn their head 270 degrees.
У нее отличное зрение, она видит.
Our next owl is very big and dangerous in the wild, so please stay seated. It's time to say goodbye to Naya and our famous Spot.
Европейский фильм.
Buba is the largest owl in Europe and the second largest owl in the world.
Второй по величине в мире большой.
Buba weighs 3 kilos and has a wingspan of 1.6 meters.
6 метров размах крыльев.